In this video, we will learn how to customize several important settings in Excel 365. Adjusting these preferences will allow us to work more efficiently and make our experience with Excel smoother. To begin, we access the Options dialog box in Excel. This is where you can control a variety of settings that influence how Excel behaves. Within this dialog, also referred to as Excel Preferences, we can start adjusting different elements according to our needs. One of the first things you can change is the display mode. This includes how Excel appears on your screen, helping to make the interface clearer and more comfortable for long-term work. You can also change the language settings and modify the time zone and regional formatting used in lists, which is particularly useful if you're working with international data. In the section related to calculations, Excel allows you to automatically correct errors in manually entered data. You can enable this setting so that certain common mistakes are automatically adjusted by the software, helping to reduce manual corrections. Next, in the section related to error checking, you can activate features that help you identify mistakes in your formulas or data. This makes it easier to spot and resolve issues during your work, saving time and improving accuracy. Then, under the List and Table and Filter options, Excel displays information based on previously saved settings. This ensures consistency when working with data tables and lists and helps avoid repeating the same formatting steps every time. In this section about saving, Excel gives you the ability to control how and when your work is stored. You can define autosave options or decide on how files should be saved to avoid data loss. Finally, Excel offers options related to protection. You can choose to apply protection with or without warnings. This includes the ability to lock certain sheets or ranges, which is helpful when working on collaborative files and you want to prevent unintended changes. All of these options within the Excel Preferences dialog box are important for customizing how Excel works for you. By adjusting these settings, you can significantly improve your productivity and make your experience with Excel more effective and seamless.